Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, what about I talk to you for how to fix Discord unable to log in to link the phone number or account. Simply few methods that try to your fixed this error. Okay, let's go ahead and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. Now do it. Then first step, then restart. So open it that start menu, then power key press restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step. That step for the run as admin. So Discord app, then right click, then properties, then compatibility mode. Select that run this program compatibility mode. Below run this program as administrator selected. Hit the apply and OK button. Click here to close it. Then go to the next step. That step, Discord add number, phone number. Now first of all, it is close it the task Discord. So task manager open it. And arrow click here. Then right click, quiet Discord. After that, one time restart your system, then come to double tap to open it. Okay, checking for update, so wait. Okay, now finish it. Started that. Then go to settings. Then account click here. Go to below phone number. Then add click here. Add click to give the that number. Then country first selected. After that, give the number or send it to OTP given it. After that, your problem fix it. Sometimes more than time you are used the phone number failed then so that Discord error unable to link phone number to account. So that you will get this error. Wait for 24 hours. After that your problem fixed. Again go to add that phone number. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. If you want more videos or more information, you will subscribe to comment section. Go to comment. I will give the answers or make the video.